Okay, guys. So now we are going to discuss the last OOPS concept as inheritance. Inheritance means the dictionary meaning is varasatvam in Telugu. In Telugu language, we can call it as a varasatvam. So coming to Java, sharing the parent class. Okay, let me correct the spelling here. Sharing the parent class methods. Sharing the parent class methods to child class. Sharing the parent class methods or properties to child class is known as inheritance. See, class A is a parent class and class B is child class. So class A methods can be accessible, also can be accessible in class B. That concept we can call it as a single inheritance. Okay. In Java, there are single inheritance is possible, multi-level inheritance is possible, hierarchical inheritance is possible, and hybrid inheritance is possible, but Java does not support multiple inheritance. That means class A methods cannot be accessible in class C. Class B methods cannot be accessible in class C. So at a time, class C cannot able to access the methods of class A and class B. Okay. So the class C, we can call it as a, here the class C, we can call it as a child class. The child class at a time, it cannot able to access class A methods, cannot able to access methods from class B. So Java does not support multiple inheritance. But alternatively, there is a workaround to achieve multiple inheritance in Java. Okay, we will see all 5 examples in today's class. So let's go to single inheritance example in Java. Okay, so class A, I will declare class A and I will write public class B extends A. Okay, let's go to the program. I'm going to create a package day06 inheritance. Click on finish. Okay, I have created a package day inheritance. Now I'm going to create a class, Java class A. I'm going to create class A. So which contains a method name as public void hi. I'm writing non-abstract method. So in generic class, we cannot write non-abstract methods. So we can write implemented methods only in generic class. In standard class, we will write non-abstract methods. System.out.println. Hi, Venkat. I'm ready. So a class contains this method, hi method. Now let's create one more class B. I'm selecting public static void main arguments. So to access class B method in child class. So class B, I want to access the method from class A. So I have written extends A. So now I can able to access the method. Hi method can be accessible in child class B. So let's create an object here. B. B1 is equal to new B of. Actually, the method is not available in child class, but we can able to access. See. So the class B is able to access the method. I think I have not saved. Okay, let me save this one here and come to here. See, so the high method is able to access in child class. So this concept we can call it as a single inheritance. Simply you need to write extends A so that A methods can be accessible in B class. Okay, let's run this one. Run as Java application. See, I'm able to print high bank. So this concept we can call it as a single inheritance. Single inheritance. Sharing the methods or properties of a parent from a parent class to child class is known as single inheritance. Okay, so in the next class we can discuss about multi-level inheritance. Okay, now we discussed about single inheritance. So single inheritance, how we had discussed just now. Now we can go to discuss multi-level inheritance. So A class methods are accessible in B. Now let's create one more class. I'm going to create class C. I'm writing public static void main. So in class B, I'm going to write one more method, public void hello B method I have written. System dot out dot println hi hello B method from class B. I have written a method name as hello B. Okay. Now I want to access this hello B method in class C. So to access that method in hello B, simply I need to write extends B. So the B class methods can be accessible in B class methods can be accessible in so B class methods can be accessible in class C. So now let's create an object C1 is equal to new C of, and what is the method we have written? C1 dot hello B. See, so the B class method is accessible in class C. Okay, so this one, and can C1 can able to access methods from class C. C1 dot high method. C1 can also be able to access methods from class A because class A method is accessible in class B and class B method C1. So it is just like a concept: A is equal to B, B equal to C. That means A equal to C, like that. So A methods can be accessible in B. B methods are accessible in class C. So ultimately, A and B methods can be accessible in class C. That's what we had seen. So this high method is from class A. This method is from class B. Okay. So the hierarchy is like this. A methods accessible in B. B methods accessible in C. So this we can call it as a multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. So A class method contains high method. A class contains a method name as high method. And class B contains method name as hello B. And ultimately class C can able to access hi and hello B. Hi, comma, hello B methods are accessible in child class C. So this kind of inheritance we can call it as a multi-level inheritance. Single inheritance means directly class A methods accessible in class B. So like this, A to B. So A class methods are accessible in class B. So this is called single inheritance. Okay. And class C, we did one more example. So here we have written C extends B, means C can able to access methods from B. So this we can call it as a single inheritance. B methods can be accessible in class C. So we can call it as a single inheritance. That's it, guys. The difference between single inheritance and multiple level inheritance we understood. So class C can able to access the methods from class B and as well as class A. So this is known as multi-level inheritance. So we'll discuss in next other inheritances in the next lab.